All right. Well, hello, everyone. I am here to tell you all about the first of two classes I'll be doing in the fall term for Ollie, and the other one I'll do a separate video for. So for this one, I'm going to do the first class, a 4-week class called Rebuilding Democracy, Making the Case for Optimism. What is this class all about? Well, if there's one phrase I've heard people say over and over again, it's this idea that we're witnessing the fall of Rome, that basically, with the current administration or the last 10 years or so of American democracy, everything is pretty much collapsed. The institutions are gone, checks and balances is gone, and therefore, pretty much American democracy is not just in decline, but it's in a decline that basically says it's gone so far that it's not going to come back. We'll never be the country that we were. Not that I'm saying make America great again, but that basically things have gotten to a point where there's just no bouncing back. Too much damage has been done. With this class, actually, I'm going to start with the opposite premise. There's a lot of books out there on topics like how democracies die, what makes democracies fall apart, and things like that. We're going to kind of write a book for this class called How Democracies Rebuild, Renovate, and Rejuvenate. That is, we're going to talk about what it would take to rebuild things that might have weakened or atrophied or collapsed through the various administrations of the last decade or so. So, what would it take to rebuild American democracy? That's the question we're going to answer in this class. And as I say right there in the title, and many of you have taken classes with me, you'll know this, I remain optimistic about things. Yes, still. And I do think there's still reason for optimism. So I'm making the case for optimism with this class. We're going to go through many of the institutions of government from the judicial branch to the executive branch, the legislative branch. We're just going to look at, where things have gone wrong and exactly what it would take to fix it. What should we be looking for as we look to the midterms of 2026 and, of course, the elections of 2028? So please do join me on this 4-week tour, and hopefully I will be able to convince you that there's reason to be looking onward and looking upward when it comes to American democracy. So hope to see you there.